This is just
all
water.
just domestic
Okay.
water. Yeah. There's also valves here that you could use, but if you're going to use those, you might as well just hit this one. Because this is our pump station. This is what's getting you your pressure all the way up to the 6th floor. That's what this is all about. Otherwise, the 1st floor would be great, but the 6th floor would be tripping. Yeah, right? So that's the main thing I wanted to show you in here, is where your water main was. Now, if something should happen and you had to turn this off for whatever reason, hopefully that would not be the case. And I'll show you kind of how to isolate that by floor too, but in a fire, you can't do that. Fire department's gonna climb all over you, right? So you can't do that. But if you kind of follow the pipe, right, so you're gonna have flow, you can shut this off and that's gonna shut the water off right here.
Okay.
Whenever you see this type of an indicator and or a lever like this is the direction of flow. Right, so this is telling you that right now it's water's flowing, right? If it's perpendicular, it means I've got it shut off. Same thing with these little butterflies.
Cool.
Right now it's in the direction of flow. You start cranking this handle and that will turn perpendicular.
Right.
Now you start messing with these and you will set off the fire alarm.
So minus touch.
Yeah,
Minus touch.
because it will detect that something happened, and
Something
every
wrong.
single one of these are wired, as you can see. This is part of what Intelitech monitors. So the annunciator is going to go off and that type of thing because it knows something's wrong. Yeah, those are all water flow detectors and tamper switches is what those are. Okay?
And those again, you said will shut.
I wouldn't worry about that. If you're shutting those off,
Just go there.
just go here.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're shutting the water off to the building anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to explain what that was to you. The only thing this thing does, if you hear this running all of the time, you got a problem. So this is your jockey pump, and this is what maintains pressure in the fire system and all your fire pipe, right? So that's all this is for, is to maintain pressure. If it's running all of the time, it means you got a leak somewhere. Yeah, so that's the only thing you should really have to worry about here, is if you're hearing it all the time, it's like, okay, we need to call somebody in, you got a problem. Yeah. Yeah, and hopefully you'll see it somewhere.
Yeah.
And it's likely a drip.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you, this thing maintains, right now, it's maintaining very, very well. We had a couple of small issues when we first opened, but nothing huge. Okay? And that's where you'll see it too, is this is all jockey pump related.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll see, your pressure here, we've got set points that are set on this. So start and stop pressure, we've got 160 and 170 PSI.
Yeah.
So that's what it's trying to maintain, and you can see right now it's 161. Okay?
That's good.
Yeah, so if it drops below 160, jockey
gonna
pump
click.
kicks on and brings it back up to 170, and then holds
How
pressure.
often does the jockey pump kick on?
It shouldn't.
Shouldn't.
Really, I mean, if it,
Perfect.
you'll have temperature and that type of thing that may
Yeah.
change it a little bit and drop pressure. Maybe once a day, maybe once a week. Yeah, at most, and it shouldn't take much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna kick on
Get it
real
back
quick.
up.
Yeah. But again, every time you come in here, you're like, man, every time I come in here, that's on. There's a problem. It's probably minor. It's probably a drip. Okay?
Yeah.